How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to delete all of your Facebook activity log all at once but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Facebook application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the very Facebook application and then tap on Facebook like this. After you tap on Facebook like this, Facebook will be launched on your very mobile device. After Facebook is launched, now you have to go to your profile like icon and then you have to just scroll down until you find the option of settings and privacy. After that, you have to tap on the option of settings. After tapping on settings, now you have to just scroll down until you find the next option of your activity. Now here you have to tap on the option of activity log. Now in activity log, you can see a lot of kind of activities that has happened. You can go to the option of activity history, and when you tap on the option of activity history, now you have to wait for a while when you can see the various kind of activity that you have made. Now in order to delete all of those, you can just tap on one like this and then go to the three dots and then go to the option of delete. Again, you can tap on the three dots like this and then again go to the option of delete. However, just deleting all at once, this option has not been found. So you have to just manually go to one of those icon and then go to the three dots and delete it. And this way your activity history will be deleted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.